Hello, and welcome to Team Summit's introductory video to the Scratch programming environment. In this short video, we are going to introduce you to the basics and highlight how easy it can be to program. In the external links column on the right hand side is the URL which will direct you to the Scratch homepage, which is currently displayed on my screen. So let's begin. As mentioned, this is the Scratch homepage, and from here we are able to create a new project, explore projects that have been created by other users, use the discussion board to ask for help or gain tips on making Scratch projects, or we can use the Help tab, which gives a list of guides on how to make Scratch projects. I'll start by discussing creating a new project. This is our project screen. On the left hand side we have the stage, which is where our characters, or sprites as they are called in Scratch, are displayed. On the right hand side is where our programming will go, which I will discuss in a later tutorial. For the time being, I'll show you what we can do to the sprite and the backdrop. This cat's a bit lonely. Let's give him a friend by adding a new sprite from the sprite library, which can be accessed here. There are numerous sprites to choose from. However, for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll choose this friendly dinosaur. So, we have a cat and a dinosaur sprite. Let's add a backdrop. Scratch provides a backdrop library which can be found here. Again, numerous backdrops are provided, but we'll just choose this beach in Malibu for ease. Now we have our two characters, I'll show you some of the features that we can use. I'll start by discussing this top bar here. This icon here allows us to duplicate the character, like so. We can then delete unwanted sprites or unwanted sprites. We're able to increase and decrease the size of the sprite as well. I'll now draw your attention to these three tabs here. We have scripts, costumes and sounds. I'll discuss scripts in a later tutorial as this deals with programming, so I'll draw your attention to the costumes and sounds tab. In a nutshell, costumes are part of the character, which, through programming, can be changed to animate it. Take our dinosaur. It has 7 costumes. The initial costume, which is displayed on screen, is the dinosaur looking shocked. I can manually change this by clicking on the costume I want. So let's have a happy dancing dinosaur. However, normally, costumes are changed through programming, so if I want my dinosaur to dance, all I need to do is code it so it constantly swaps between the costumes. This will be explained in more detail in the programming tutorial. Additionally, characters can be edited, so instead of having a green dinosaur, like so, I can change it to blue. The final tab, as the name says on the tin, relates to sounds. Scratch has its own sound library for you to utilise, however it also offers you the chance to record or upload your own. I'll insert sound from the sound library and we'll choose the dance slow-mo. By clicking on here, the play button, it will give us a preview of the sound. However, I'll just click OK and import it onto the project. Once imported into the project, Scratch provides us with the ability to add some sound effects. For example, if I want my sound to fade in, I can do this. Effects, fade in, and then select the section that I want to fade in. I can also make it fade out by selecting the part I want to fade out, going to Effects, and clicking Fade Out. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial and encourage you to watch the more advanced video regarding how to program in Scratch. However, I will leave you with a potential classroom activity which can be done in class. Scratch allows you to upload your own sprites from your computer. Why not get your pupils to take photos of their favourite toy and get them to upload it onto Scratch and use it as a sprite? Thank you for watching.